on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Hey there, good morning. It's a little after 5 in the morning, and Liane, Papa Yoda, and I, we're gonna head out to the southwest part of the Dominican Republic, in a place near the Haitian border. It's called Pedernales, and we're gonna do something that we've wanted to do for a long time, and that is we're gonna do some glamping, which is an acronym for glamorous camping. We're gonna be about 8 feet right from the shoreline, and we're gonna pack up a bunch of things to eat and drink and just do the old camping thing for about 5 days. So today we're heading out in about an hour. I'm just loading up. Got the back door open for you guys, so hop on in and come with us, and we'll do some droning and filming all throughout this little adventure. It'll be about a 7-day deal all the way around. Today we're going to head through, we're going to bypass the capital on the newer highway, which really is a wonderful thing to do. I might do a bit of filming on it to give you guys an idea of the latest state-of-the-art kind of highways we got happening all throughout this country. Then we're going to be going through the center of San Cristobal. We're going to go through Bani, which we're going to stop, pick up some supplies. Then we're going to head on through Barahona, which is a gateway town to the southwest. And we're going to stay at a little eco lodge. We're going to break up the trip because it is about an 8-hour trip all the way down to Cabo Rojo, where we're going to be doing the glamping. And we're not in a hurry, so we're going to take our time. We're going to have some fun. We're going to have some good food and drink. And why don't you come along with us and strap yourself in. We'll talk with you soon.
The first time Barry and I traveled to the southwest of the island was back in 2014. In those days, the journey required driving straight through the capital city of Santo Domingo. As Barry has mentioned, that has since changed with the construction of a bypass highway. Traveling from Cabrera to Cabo Rojo via the new bypass, Autopista 6 de Noviembre and Corridor Duarte now avoids all the city traffic entirely, often cutting 1 to 2 hours off the drive and making the trip noticeably smoother and faster. While it's possible to complete the journey in a single day, we prefer to slow down and enjoy the experience. We spend the first day soaking up the lush mountain ranges and plantation scenery. Then we save the second day for the dramatic coastal views where the ocean meets the mountains. There are countless pull-offs along the way, perfect for those can't-miss photo moments. We usually aim to spend our first night somewhere beyond the busy town of Barahona, choosing a quiet spot with an ocean view. On this trip, we hope to revisit the charming Hotelito Oasi Italiana in Los Patos, where we spent our wedding anniversary. When we stayed there 12 years ago, the Italian owner, Giordano, had already been running the place for over 40 years. He managed just 8 rooms and personally prepared all the home-cooked meals, which were delicious, and Barry raved about the steak for months. Sadly, the little hotel has since closed its doors for good. Instead, we chose to stay at Casa del Mar Lodge, located about 16.4 kilometers, roughly 20 minutes south of Barahona. It's still peaceful, still coastal, and a fitting place to pause before continuing our journey. If you plan on making this journey to Cabo Rojo for glamping, I would strongly recommend you do it in the winter months. The temperatures during the day was 31 Celsius or 88 Fahrenheit. And at night, 21 Celsius, which is about 70 Fahrenheit, which made it very comfortable to sleep. I would also advise you to bring your own bathing and beach towels, along with some bug spray and a cooler with some food and beverages. So while Hotelito Oasi Italia may live on only in our memories, Casa del Mar gave us exactly what we needed, a peaceful night by the sea before the next leg of our adventure. Up next, we're back on the road and heading to Cabo Rojo for glamping. Stunning sceneries and a whole new experience. If you're enjoying traveling the DR at a slower pace, stick around. We've got a lot more to show you.
Well, we're here, and this is our first stop of the night. This is our room, overlooking some lounges, a nice view of the ocean. And we're gonna get some seafood tonight, at least I will, and we'll let you know how it is. So far, so good on our first day. We're just outside of Barahona. Well, you're back with old Barry and Liane, and after day one, we had a really good day here. No problems with the vehicle. The place we're staying at's really nice. The only problem would be the one outlet.
Oh, they only have one American outlet, which they use to plug in the pedestal fan. The other two by the nightstands are actually European outlets. So that's kind of a bummer. We just got to unplug the fan so we can charge our phones, but that's all right. It's not a big deal. We're only here for one night. I'm actually looking forward to glamping in Cabo Rojo.
Yeah, and then what happened, we had a neat little incident where cop tried to take a little advantage of us, but that's the beauty of photography. We had our camera mounted on the windshield, and he's saying I went through a red light, but I know we didn't. And I said to him, like, no, I didn't go through a red light. And he said, yeah, you did. And I said, look, I have it on film. And he says, well, okay, pull up the film and you'll see. And I said, okay, no problem. And when I said, okay, and I started looking for the film, he said, no, that's okay, you can go. So I find, you know, we've had that before. I find...
This area.
Yeah. I find between, I would say, Bani and Barahona, the beginning and the outside after you leave Barahona, I find the cops are a little bit picky about pulling people over. What do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. This is the second time in this area that we got pulled over, but it's also the second time that we didn't have a ticket.
Yeah, the first time I kind of did a little bit of, he said, no, you can't bribe. No, what are you doing, eh? And, well, then he gave me his ticket book and he goes, put it on the second page. So instead of like a 2,000 peso ticket,
like
it was like 500 pesos. Anyway, so Liane, day one was okay?
It was awesome, yeah. We enjoyed by our room, just relaxed a little bit, had a couple of drinks, walked down to the beach, very nice.
And
very nice.
Now is dinner time, and we'll take a picture or two and put the name when we do our videos of it, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow, because the highway from here to Cabo Rojo is gorgeous. So I'll do some drones hovering over the vehicle from the ocean looking in, and a couple of places I want to stop around Los Patos, which means the ducks. There's a beautiful river that goes out to the ocean there, and stick around with Barry and Liane, and we'll keep the back seat open for you. Till then.
We'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Bye.